All right, boy. I tell you, man. Right when I was just about to get some sleep, uh, there was a pipe burst apparently under my driveway, and so these guys, this construction, they're tearing up my driveway and jackhammering my driveway. Um, uh, let's see here. What the fuck's going on here? What are we doing here? The merch, marketcyphermerch.com, is officially up. I believe there's certainly still some inventory. We're not sold out yet. No, I actually can't. I can't do that song. Jeez. Oh my god. They are just fucking smashing my driveway. Jesus Christ. They're using... What the fuck are they doing? They're using a front loader to bash in the driveway. Anyway, they had me move actually I wanted to take profit when it was down here, but you know, we got entertainment purposes. And she's just peeking through. She might be coming. She might, you know, this thing dumps and then it comes up a little bit, then it dumps a little more, comes up a little bit. But you know, holding on too long. I wanted to make a video, to be honest with you, because I'm hearing kind of the same thing from a lot of people, including my own damn self. You know, when I'm in these trades, a lot of times on these streams, man, you know, remember this is entertainment, and if I close the trade, the stream ends, and I'm not saying that as an excuse for I'm not saying I'm saying that right now is a time where you got to take your profits, and I guarantee that if you, instead of just waiting for that big one and missing out on all the small ones in between, you'll make more or as much as you wanted to by taking the small wins, because the shit goes up and down, and most of the time, 90% of the time, it ain't the big move. It's the move, just like what we were staring into. We saw the move coming. We were right here when the stream started. We said shit, said turbulence. We don't know how much, but shit's probably gonna come down. And the way the history's been, look at the larger time frames, man. The larger time frames are down, and yeah, there's gonna be brief times of tough action to acting coming back up, but you can't. You gotta look at this is a 12-hour time frame. This is a big fucking deal, man. This is a big deal of money coming down. This is serious shit. And guess what I'm trying to say is, what I'm doing on stream, and even when I try to say like, yo, you should be taking profits right now, isn't the best example. I'm not leading the best example. And so just don't you have to take care. Don't try to, you're not me, and you're not in my environment. You have to, everyone's environment's different. If you're doing shit for entertainment too, or you're impressing your girlfriend, a girl you're trying to bang next to you, then you can, you know what I'm saying, everyone's different. So you're training for your family. There's no reason to be liquidated. I'll say that. Let me say that right now. You do not get liquidated. Let me make that fucking clear. No one should be getting liquidated. No, there should absolutely no reason. Am I on mute? Okay, good. You should not be getting liquidated at all. And I understand having big aspirations and wanting more and more and as much as you can. You just you just shouldn't be. You can't be doing that. It's a no. That's a no. Ooh, baby, come on back down, baby. Come on back down. All right. I need to take some. This is 200 grand. This is 200 grand. Plus the 50,000 I made earlier, which I was up 200 grand before. In the long, didn't take profits. Had to take profits out. Ended up losing or like making 1,000. Or what is it? What was it? This was the long earlier. Closed it out. Ended up losing 1,300 on Bitcoin, making 56,000 with ETH. And I could have had 200,000, 150,000. And, you know, this technically this happened 4 or 5 times throughout the day. Now, granted, I was at the dealership doing a bunch of shit, but the point is really you should be just taking the fucking wins, man. Because technically, if I did that, I could have, let's even say 130,000. But I could have taken $130,000 profit and gotten back in the trade 4 fucking times yesterday and made $500,000 in a you know, whatever. But hindsight's 2020. Nine. Sight is 2020. So it's easy to say go back and say, but this one is true. 9 out of 10 times, take the fucking money because the price is going to go back to where you got in anyways. And when you get lucky and you get that big move, or you're confident that big move's coming right now, you know, I mean, I'm saying you can't really become the big move, even though we're getting a nice move right here. You know what I'm saying? It's just, you know, I'm just saying. And I hope you understand what I'm saying. Because, you know. No reason you should. The liquidation is not an option. Even if you set your stop loss $5 above your liquidation price, you're going to save that Chinese buffer, insurance buffer. Don't go into kamikaze mode. Don't crank that leverage. If you use 3 times less leverage than that 10, 15x bullshit you're doing, it's like magic. Somehow you take profits on those 3 or 4 trades that you didn't want to, and you end up making just as much as if you had the big gain. It's crazy. It's really weird. But that's how it works. Now, do as I say, not what I do. I ain't taking shit profit. I ain't no bitch. I'm here for entertainment purposes. Okay, I ain't no bitch. I know my environment. We're letting this ride. Just kidding. I at least gotta pay for the fucking truck I bought yesterday. So I need 20,000. You know, let me try to limit out some here. Since I can... this is nice. What the fuck's going on outside? They're playing the jungle drums outside. What's going on, What am I doing here? Can you guys hear that? Do you guys hear that? No, we went to three dealerships. Dodge was one of them. The Rams are too fucking boxy. Dodge has always had shit transmissions. And there ain't nothing like a GMC, I'm telling you. And you know what? They didn't have the fucking trucks on the lot anyways. Dodge had a bunch of trucks, but they just didn't have diesel with the blind spot. In this day and age, the most basic Hyundai has the blind spot shit. And these jackals are trying to get you to pay 50, 60 grand for a truck that don't even have the fucking blind spot warning. It's a joke. Well, Hyundais are built for teeny bopper girls that get in car accidents. You know what I'm saying? And so they're you know, and they're selling like hotcakes. Hell no, man. I got my boy. You know, when I buy cars or trucks for my friends or for family, I cannot buy something that I wouldn't buy for myself. You know what I'm saying? What are you talking about? I don't use MC to take profits only for entries. What are you talking about, brother? What are you talking about, Tonus? No, man. You use Market Cipher to take profits. It's the same. Of course you use it to take profits, bro. I just told you. I just went over the whole scenario if you missed the previous stream. You see it coming. But it's hard, man. It's I understand staring the cobra in the face and it's weird. It's like seeing a ghost. You get frozen. And it is a constant battle. And sometimes you'll be like refreshed and boom, you'll be good. And for 2 weeks or a month or a day or 6 months, you're doing the right thing. And then once in a while, man, you just sit there and stare. And sometimes you don't know. But you know, at the end of the day, it comes down to the basics. The basics is identify your environment. Number one, higher time frames. Are your higher time frames backing up your lower time frame trades? The higher time frames dictate. Okay? How am I dictate? Size matters in the real world. And when you got this 12-hour money straight coming down, and we're seeing these VWAP, and we're covering VWAPs even on the little, man. The 3, 4, 5, and 6 hour VWAP that were beautifully. Look at this. Man, this was an easy one. This was an easy short. Look at this VWAP wave. It was beautifully curved, tight to the downside, breaching to the bottom. Easy fucking short. And it feels good to do the right thing. Doing the right thing is hardest to do before you do it. But when you do it, it feels great. And you know, when I took profits on that long and I cashed out with the little 56,000, it stung a little bit. But when I saw that 3-4 hour, I knew that we were gonna flip it, dip it, bop it, twist it, and I was gonna get that fucking money back. And now I'm up to another 210,000 unrealized, and I should just take that fucking money. Or at least a nice chunk of it. Man, we broke down. Man, we're coming right for this spider line. We're coming right for it. This 12 hour is huge. Huge. And look at the momentum. She tried coming in. Rejected. Detected. And you know, it's hard when you're used to certain numbers and playing with a smaller stack. How much money did I lose chasing my profit record? That man's been a subscriber for a while because he's seen if it, you know, I had a curse where every time in my title, every time I was like, you know, when I actively went to break the world record, my world records that I've broken previously, every single time I ended up eating shit. One of those times I broke the world record for the biggest fucking loss. And when I didn't give a fuck, that's when I broke them. When I got back from Mexico. And 2 hours before I said, ain't no way I'm fucking trading. 2 hours later, entered the trade. Boom, $1 million. Next week, boom, $2 million. I didn't have nothing to say, think it's shit. I didn't care about no world record bullshit. But they came. So what we're going to do is we're going for the world record loss. I'm going for the world record loss. And maybe I'll accidentally not have that happen. Exactly how it is with women, yeah. Yeah, when you don't give a fuck, man, they'd be flopping all over you. They say you're emotionally unavailable. Ugh. Now this was hard to do. Because both numbers, what was 200,000, are now 4 small numbers. Now it's like, okay, now my excitement is belittled. But it works out in the end of the day. When I say record loss, that's from, and I don't even, I'm the world record loss. I'm talking about live stream within like a 24-hour period. There's 300,000 is not the world record for the biggest loss in a crypto trade. It's one that's live streamed. Same with $2 million to $1 million. the record is fucking live streaming it in less than 24 hours, live streaming it. Look at the merch yourself, man. Marketsiteformerch.com. So, okay. So now I feel a little better. So I made 56 plus 43. That's 100K. Plus 28. 128,000. And you always feel better when you lock a good profit in. Now I'm cool. Now I can, you know. And we still got another 120 on the board. I can live with that, I guess. Eight hours just having a red dot. I mean, VWAP curving. So this puppy, and listen, she zigs and zags. It might not even, listen, this might be just be getting started too, man. We're just getting, this could just literally be just getting started. And there ain't no money like short money. You know, it's with shorts, it takes much less money and you make a lot more, and it's a lot faster. How's gold doing? Okay, gold. 1859 gold, way to go. Oil should be, oil should have gone up today from the political bullshit. They're trying to, okay, so maybe it did, they didn't officially do it, but they're motherfuckers talking about shutting down another oil pipeline. That fuck. Okay, so, alright, no, they haven't acted on that. Buy the rumor. Buy the rumor. Buy the rumor on oil, folks. Buy the rumor on oil. Buy this oil. Man. Ooh, beautiful. Look at that. Look at oil getting primed and ready. Money flows getting tighter and tighter and tighter to the upside. Nice little consolidation. They're going to shut down another fucking pipeline. And they're just going to keep squeezing this puppy up. Oil. Man. If you get wrecked in crypto, stop crypto. Just fucking get oil. If you asked me what I would do with $1,000, that's all I had to trade. Number one, I'd get another fucking job, another source of income. I wouldn't just have 1,000. I'd get another fucking income, and I'd put that shit in oil. Make some oil plays. How do you buy oil? E-Trade or whatever. The ETFs, oil ETFs. Look up oil stocks, oil companies, oil ETFs. I just oil ETFs like USO, DBO, Oil K, CPE. That's the CPE's Chesapeake Energy. I'm talking bullshit? Okay. I'd like to hear what you have to say. Guarantee you wouldn't. I would crush you if I had your puny butt on right now voice chat in front of everyone saying I'm talking bullshit. I would wreck you, boy. Let's see. We longed oil November 5th. Let's take a look. Let's take a look at November 5th and where we're at today. Let's take a look. See here. This guy must be new here. This guy must be fucking new here. This guy must be new here. Oh, gee. Oh, gee. And it's barely been a year. It's barely been a year. Barely been a year. Ooh, baby, I'm telling you, the more this country and world's getting fucked, the one thing we can take solace in is the price of oil going up. And that's about all that's positive. Alrighty. I can't be having that music. I gotta. Ooh, baby, 57s. Damn, I shouldn't have taken profits. I should have left it all in. What do we got left? We got 4.3 mil. All right. We need this to go down more, boys. Girl. Where do I reckon bottom? Man. Well, a few weeks ago we drew this. You know, it could just be, you know, I think it, you know, maybe this 54 or right here. This one could be the bottom. I think this would look natural. This would be natural. That's why I believe it is more important to just focus on the direction first, and then people try too hard, I think, to focus on where they think it's gonna go, not which way it's gonna go. Ooh, baby. Luck be a lady tonight. Telling you, man, it feels good to do the right thing, man. Feels good to do the right thing. How am I feeling about the BitBoy bet? I'll let you know when January 1st ticks. I'll let you know how I feel when it's 11:59 and 59 seconds on December 31st and we tick to the new year. I will let you know how I feel about the bet then. What are you talking about? That doesn't sound too Man, some of you guys are really fucking stupid. how some of these people make it, man. I don't know how some of you guys tie your fucking shoe with the dumb shit that you perceive. I don't really pay attention to market cap because it's a fake number in the first place. Market cap is fake. Especially in crypto. It is exceptionally, especially complete bullshit. Market cap is the dumbest fucking statistic, especially in crypto. So stupid. It is just a completely fake fucking number. The true market cap is like 1/100th of what they say it is. When people start selling and the price goes down, your market cap is complete bullshit. Literally 1/100th. Do I really need to explain it? It's common sense. Maybe for some, maybe if you're new to this, to the world. Market cap is the price of the asset times how many of the asset. Well, when you sell the asset, the price goes down. It takes a very small amount of Bitcoin selling to move the price down. A lot. So saying that, oh, Bitcoin, let's say if there was 100 Bitcoin that existed in the world, okay, and Bitcoin is worth $5, so the market cap would be $500. That $500 market cap is a lie. Because when you start selling your Bitcoin, the price goes down. When Fred, Mary, Bojangles, and Larry, and Jing Dong sell their Bitcoin and crash the price to $1, what happened to your whole market cap figure? Damn, what is going on here? Let's take a look-see. What's going on with some shit coins? What's going on with Doge? Dang, Doge and Hex are worth the same price. What's going on with Shitter Cardano? I'll look up Samo. I'm sure it's getting dumped on. Oh, damn. Cardano. Jeez. Louise. Ooh, yeah. Getting super shit on. Solano. Solano. Dang, I wish I would have shorted that. Whatever. You don't know. Hey, listen. You can't say he's wrong. Like, just like when everyone was like, "You said 64K, 64K." Everyone was saying, "You don't know what's gonna happen in the future, man. This shit could turn around and go straight the fuck up to 100K by the end of December." People were real confident saying that 64K is, you know what I'm saying? And now look at it. People were real confident saying selling may walk away I was full of shit. And look at it. Charles ain't no salesman. Or maybe I'm just not the type of buyer. Man, absolute king of boring nerds, my lord. Damn, 57. We gotta be close to this spider line. Oh, wow. Well, man, this fucking played out just like we were expecting it to. We were looking for that on the 30-minute for it to come up in the green a little bit, at least, and probably break down. It did on the 20 on Bitcoin. On ETH, I believe, on the 30. It did, though. Man, it's crazy when you expect and it happens so often where, like, the longer term the midterm assumption is what happens, but trading it, man, when you're in the mix, it's a different story, man. I'm telling you, shit ain't easy, man. It ain't easy when it's fucking greasy. Damn. Man, and you know, we really ain't seen that much. This ain't nothing yet. You know, as the numbers get smaller, the percentages get bigger. Like, if you're in pain, if people are in pain right now, the pain gets bigger and bigger and bigger the more it goes down. It's all going down. I gotta teach people how I trade, bro. What do you think I'm sitting here seeing what I'm doing for 5 years, man. I've been doing this. I fucking, what do you think we're doing here, my friend? What do you think we've been doing? You gotta open your eyes. You know what I'm saying? What's the best way to learn from someone, right? Let's say you want to learn how to fucking... you want to learn the art of real estate deals. What I would want to do is follow Donald Trump or Ty Lopez. I'd shut my mouth and I wouldn't have to ask him one fucking question. I would just watch and listen to what he does and says. That's it. If Donald Trump said, "Crypto face, open his door," and open his door, and just said, "You can sit in the corner and watch," you just and man, you'd learn every motherfucking thing, but you still have to do it. I cannot teach you, pull the trigger for you. You still got to do it yourself. Thanks, Joseph. I appreciate that, brother. What's up, Ross? How you been, brother? Thanks, Rosie. I appreciate that. Man, they got porta potties outside my house. I'm like, how long? What the hell? How long you guys gonna be here? He said they're fucking... Oh my gosh! My driveway. Wow. I'm gonna go out there. And I want to see this. Did we lose everything? Is it pumping? Alrighty. Oh, is it dumping more? Alrighty. Yeah, man, they're 5 feet deep out there. Man, listen, it ain't no news, okay? It ain't no news. There's the money flow has been coming down, and literally when we were right here, when we entered this whittle long, when we were looking for a little 5, potentially a 10%er. Right before I said that, I said, is money flow getting a little thin? It's about getting one of them times, man. And so, you know, but what's the MT Gox news today? Did they release all these fuckers Bitcoin? I doubt it. Let's see. There ain't no 9 billion Bitcoin. Court says MT Gox. There ain't no. They got pays out nearing, man. This ain't no MT Gox, bro. This is normal shit. All right. I flip-flop every day. The price flip-flops every day, you dumb fuck. We're fucking day traders, night traders. No shit. What do you think I am, a politician? What do you want me to do? Tell you the fucking wrong answer every other day? It's going up today. Way, it's going up today. Fuck. It's going up today. Yay. It's going up today. Fuck. You want me to be like everybody else? Good morning. Yeah. I'm telling you, there's something special about shorting when you're in the short, because we've all been there. We've all been in longs when this shit keeps chonging, going down. We've all been in longs when it chongs. And when you're able to see it, man, and I'm telling you, this one was from the 3 hour, the 4, the 5, and the 6 hour. Let's take a look at the 8 VWAP. It's whittle, but if anything, this could get fucking nasty. And this is messy, but let me go to a different chart. I'll show you. Okay, look at the yellow waves. Look at, just draw the fucking lower highs, lower lows. If this VWAP low ends up being a lower low, you're talking about death and destruction. Death and destruction. Now, I'm not saying that's gonna happen. That could happen. Right now, it looks like it's a whittle small, but we don't know. It could just be like a little hitch like this. Right now, it's you know what I'm saying?
Grooving, keep on moving, flying, stop you crying, choosing while you cruising. Music is the answer to your problems. Keep on moving, then you can solve them. If you feel that you can't take no more, and your feet are headed for
What is this?
Stop you crying. Choosing while you cruising. Music is the answer to your problems. Keep on moving, then you can solve them. If you feel that you can't take no more, and your feet are headed for the door, gotta keep on dancing and practicing, grooving, keep on moving, flying, stop you crying, choosing while you cruising. Music is the answer to your problems. Keep on moving, then you can solve them. If you feel that you can't take no more, your feet are headed for the door, gotta keep on.
Man, if you keep losing trades, stop trading for a couple days, brother. Stop longing. Oh man. Yeah. If you're losing trades back to back, it's most likely one of a few things. Either number one, you're fucking just FOMOing in. Number two, well, let me ask you. Are your trades in profit at some point, but you're holding them and they go in the red? Or are you entering trades, they're in the red pretty much immediately and you're taking losses, brother? Let me start there and ask you that. Pala Crypto, answer me that. When you say you're losing trades, what's going on? Sony execs are running Jasmy. Ooh, baby. Ooh, baby. Come down to Papa. Papa need a lotta. Papa need a water. Damn. I wish I didn't take profits. We should have shorted more. What's up, Texas? Orioles. What makes me think I'm making the right decision? My indications. When I have larger time frames backing up the smaller time frames in multiple time frames, man, when this short, man, when we had our first little kind of momentum clip on the 30-minute, we knew that there was going to be, I was expecting a drop to maybe here just solely on the 30-minute, but when we went to we were on the 30-minute in our longs, had the red dot, said all right, price can come down, you know, this is the fourth impulse. This is a Chinese ching chong. We knew we had the 4 impulse waves, a pattern we've pegged since the dawn of our channel. Chinese ching chong. And we looked at the hourly. The RSIs are super spread and weak. You want the RSIs to be close. Previously, you know, in similar market, just look at these. They were spread. They didn't hang. Dumped. It can't. Dumped. So that wasn't looking good. The 2 hour wave was clipping. I don't care who you are. 2 hour fucking matters. You go into the 3 hour. We're starting to see this VWAP was coming down, although it's a little weird, a little stiff, but it's a 3 hour VWAP. The wave's coming down, I don't care who you are. But it was the 4 hour. Look at that curvature. This was coming. The 5. Look at that. The 6. Look at that. What is my prediction by the end of 2021? I don't waste my time with such notions. You're asking the wrong questions. You've been brainwashed by all these other YouTubers, bro. You're brainwashed by Twitter feed YouTubers giving fucking predictions. What does it matter? What does it matter? You're asking the wrong questions. Why longer to reason? Go look at the fucking stream, bro. Why I long? Because the price was going up on the shorter time frames. Why the fuck do you think? God damn. Why? Tell me. You've been. What do you think I've been showing you this whole time?
Daylight come and we drop a D-bone. Hey, we We say pay, 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 yo. Kick your ass, then we gonna come home. George Bush say that.
This is dumping. Or it was.
Load them bombs till the morning come. Airplane come and we drop the bomb. Come, Mr. Taliban, turn over Bin Laden. Colin Powell gonna bomb his home. Come, Mr. Taliban, turn over Bin Laden. Payback come and we drop the bomb. Lift one bomb, two bomb, hit the floor. Payback come and we drop the bomb. 6 bomb, 7 bomb, 8 bomb more. Cruise missile knocking at your door. Mr. Taliban, turn over Bin Laden.
Now, what do we see here?
Come, Mr. Taliban, turn
Where's Bitcoin at here? Oh! Look! Look! Look!
we said pay,
And look!
your ass, then we want.
Look at the 20-minute view outcome. Our size turning. My gosh. My gosh. That was the time to take some profits. Man. The spider line.
Daylight come and we drop the bomb. Pay, we say 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 pay, yo.
Now this thing still might bust through it, but
Gonna come home.
let's see here.
George Bush say that revenge come. Payback come and we drop the
Well, we'll see how it acts. Now, if it tapped this and, never came back, that'd be pretty sweet. Or if it dances on it, but right now it's pretty sweet.
turn over Bin Laden. Colin Powell gonna bomb his home. Come, Mr. Taliban, turn over.
Alright, I really don't want to be less than 4 million, so I'll shave. I'm trying to lead by example.
Come, Mr. Taliban, turn over Bin Laden. Colin Powell gonna bomb his home. Come, Mr. Taliban, turn.
Alright, we'll see if we can get them limit buys hit. Ooh, we might not. We might have to just market those babies. But maybe not. Come on, baby. We just got... There we go. There we go.
We said pay.
Damn, we just got him. Damn!
Kick your ass
That's fit. Wow. Wow.
down. Daylight come and we drop the bomb. Pay. We say pay, we say pay, we say pay, we say pay, we say pay.
It's not far from bottoming out. Brother, people were saying, listen, brother, you're just the next guy to say the same shit.
George Bush.
There was a gentleman previously, the last every 10-minute interval, a new one comes in and says it's the bottom.
Load them bombs till the morning come. Airplane come and we drop the bomb. Come, Mr. Taliban, turn over Bin Laden. Colin Powell.
Now, you got the spider line, the VWAP's coming up, potentially. This could be a local bottom. Oh my. Wow. Wow. Man, wow, this is boy, you guys know what this reminds me of, man? Y'all know what it reminds me of. Those who've been here, man, you remember what this looks like?
Kick your ass, then we gonna come home. George Bush say that revenge come. Payback come and we drop the bomb.
No, not sell and may walk away, but I'm sure it probably does. Think before sell and may walk away. We have to go a little bit back in time. Back in time. The back dump, yes.
Kick your ass, then we won't come home.
The market crashed on me, but that's not my last, homie. It ain't over for me. It ain't over for me. The market crashed on me, but that's not my last, homie. Only one logical thing to do. Don't trip by the dip, 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 by the dip. Don't trip by the dip, 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 by the dip. Don't trip by the dip. Get my chips and dip. Hollow coins and watch me flip. In and out, I'm stacking pips. Market looking bearish. By the dip, 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 by the dip. Don't trip. Sour cream and onion dip. Scoop it with some rubber chips. Sink 'em like Titanic ship. Bartender, here's a tip. Crypto face is the truth. He can even show you proof. This is market cipher school. Rory made you say, ooh, wish I had one too.
Well, we'll see, man. We'll see if it's gonna hold it even just for a little bit. It does got a little VWAP coming up. It's a little shaky. They gonna fight.
What do you before they get to the locker smashing stick?
They're gonna fight, no matter what they tell you. They're gonna fight, no matter what they tell you. They're gonna fight, no matter what they tell you.
Don't trip by the dip. Get my chips and dip. Hollow coins and watch me flip. In and out, I'm stacking pips. Market looking bearish. By the dip, 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 by the dip. Don't trip. The market crashed on me, but it's not my ass, homie. Time to rise up out the flames like a motherfucking phoenix. Flying high in the sky, and I motherfucking mean it. Put it all on the house. I can't help it cause I'm greedy. Got a family, gotta feed it. All my followers, man, they need me.
DZ, bro, I haven't sent your bracelet, man. I was at the dealer yesterday all day, and bro, today, out of nowhere, these construction guys are busting up my driveway, but they'll be gone, they said, in 4 hours. So, hopefully, oh. She's putting up a fight. What is this? That's 5, 6, 9, 56, 9. Man. It's holding. The spider line is this line, yes. And this is the thing. There's a lot of space in between here, you know. So yeah, man. This is where, like, the spider lines are where we take profits, set entries. And this one was no different. And would you look at what's happening? It's putting up a fight, boys, girls. We'll see. There's hope for a little sideways action. We should have a spider lines shirt. We have the three amigos. Pencil neck turkeys. I did take profits, man. Can't you see profits I've taken? Let me grab a snack. My belly's empty and I can't think. Alrighty, I'm back. Oh! Oh, it's still going up. Wow, it's still going up. Wow, look at that. Would you look at that? What do you know? What do you know? Oops. Jeez. Where did this bounce from? 56.9 and we're up $1,000. You're telling me we hit the spider line and we go up $1,000, boys. Okay, we got some leftover chicken tiki. I kind of just feel.
You see the market going up, 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 up. That means it's finna go down. Alter ego, Satoshi Nakamoto. Alter ego, Satoshi Nakamoto. You see the market going up, 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 up. That means it's finna go down. Alter ego, Satoshi Nakamoto. Alter ego, Satoshi Nakamoto. The market going up, the market going down. Keep on playing with my emotions. All I want is some more tokens. Hard for me to meditate cause I'm always in motion. So grateful for this knowledge and then have to go to college. I hope that
Damn, ETH saw 3,000. ETH had a 3.
I consider that a low blow. Forgot to set a stop loss, man, you slipping, that's a no. Working with this leverage got me all up in the bank vault. Put in all this work, you can't be mad, it ain't my fault. I've been smashing Rari, doing donuts on the asphalt. Anti-laser radar shield, nope, I will not get caught. Neighbors taking pictures when I pull up out the garage.
Hoo-ha!
This is not a facade. Got the groupies going crazy, wanna slob on my knob. I can't teach you everything, no sir, that ain't my job. You see the market going up, 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 up. That means it's finna go down. Alter ego, Satoshi Nakamoto. Alter ego, Satoshi Nakamoto. You see the market going up, 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 up. That means it's finna go down. Alter ego, Satoshi Nakamoto. Alter ego, Satoshi Nakamoto. Crypto face, alter ego, Satoshi Nakamoto. Market going up and down just like a pogo. Scamming in my comments, then you probably are a bozo. Been real from the start, man. Didn't you get the memo? Offshore accounts, but my bars are on tempo. Corners, I'ma bend them. Rari, I RPM them. Hands off the wheel, positive traction when I spin them. Trading is my specialty, nobody can really mess with me. When it comes to BTC, yep, I got the recipe. In and out carefully, fine tune my strategy. Technical analysis, my whale crew some savages. Hardly check my balances, they keep on going up. Big old dog named Sid, been a beast since a pup. Some of y'all call it luck, I call it divine intervention. When I'm pulling up, you can already see the engine. Game so cold, might as well you be see a the market going up, 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 up. That means it's finna go down. Alter ego, Satoshi Nakamoto. Alter ego, Satoshi Nakamoto. You see the market going up, 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 up. That means it's finna go down. Alter ego, Satoshi Nakamoto. Alter ego, Satoshi Nakamoto. You see the market going up, 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 up. That means it's finna go down. Alter ego, Satoshi Nakamoto. Alter ego, Satoshi Nakamoto. You see the market going up, 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 up. That means it's finna go down. Alter ego, Satoshi Nakamoto. Alter ego, Satoshi Nakamoto. The market going up, the market going down. Keep on playing with my
Sid, come on. Boy, would you look at that. We might as well be at 100,000. Yeah, you know, that's one thing too about this area is the main spider lines I use, we don't have to. It's just a big fucking gap, man. Look at this thing, just sweeping. Now, the question is it gonna dance here? Is it gonna come up and dance, or is it gonna plow through one more or more?
You see the market going up, 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 up. That means it's finna go down. Alter ego, Satoshi Nakamoto. Alter ego, Satoshi Nakamoto. You see the market going up, 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 up. That means it's finna go down. Alter ego, Satoshi Nakamoto. Alter ego, Satoshi Nakamoto. You see the market going up, up, up.
What? Yeah, baby. Come on back down. Come on back. Come on back. Folks, it's a dance, and we got all night. Ooh, that VWAP on the 5-minute. Very interesting.
I figured we should do. should too. We should too. I figured we should too.
Alrighty. Oh, it's coming back. It's coming back. Folks, I'm telling you, we try to tell you real time. Real time. What did we say? We had the VWAP coming up a little bit. On the 20, nicely curved RSIs. We were coming right to the spider line and bada bing, bada boom. You know what I'm saying? Now, for those of you who were asking earlier, can I teach you? Have you learned anything?
We should too. We should too. If Jesus Christ himself had prophets, I figured we should too. We should too. I figured we should too. We should too. If Jesus Christ himself had prophets, I figured we should too. I figured we should too. We should too.
Oh man, Roy, it's in the tutorials, bro.
We should do.
Go to tutorials. How to join the Discord server. And don't forget, folks, MarketCypherMerch.com is officially live and we're selling out fast.
We should do.
Woo. Man, I needed that. Oh. Oh, yeah.
If Jesus Christ himself had prophets, I figured we should too. We should too. We should
Oh shit, my sister's here.
I figured we should too. We should too. We should too. I figured we should too. We should too. We should too. If Jesus Christ himself had prophets, I figured we should too. We should too. I figured we should too. We should too. we should do. 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 If Jesus Christ himself had prophets, I figured we should do. 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 I figured we should do. 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 If Jesus Christ himself had prophets, I figured we should do. I figured we should do. 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 figured we should do. 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 I figured we should do. 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 If Jesus Christ himself had prophets, I figured we should do. We should do. We should do. We should do. I figured we should do. 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 If Jesus Christ himself had prophets, I figured we should do. 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 If Jesus Christ himself had prophets, I figured we should do. I figured we should do. We should do.
All right, I'm back. Was my screen frozen? Yeah, cause it was my computer went on
We should do.
whatever. It was black.
We should do. We should do.
Okay, look at this little 15-minute VWAPage here. Now the hour still's got the hour going for it, so yeah, my guess is it's gonna dance. It's gonna dance and prance. We just had a nice big move, so you know, that might kind of just be it. You know, that kind of might be the big the one. Ooh, what is this?
I figured we should do. We should do.
Damn. This dude's we got another tattooer. Another one. That's pretty rad, bro. Whoops. Alrighty. I think that's pretty much it for now, folks. So, the excitement is over for now. And I need some rest, man. Alright, I'll see you guys later.